I'm Tokyo Paul 360. Welcome guys. Today we are going to check out the Gundam in Odaiba, Unicorn Gundam in 360 degrees, the Fuji television station, love sign, and the Statue of Liberty in Odaiba, Tokyo. Alright, first up is the Unicorn Gundam. I'm going to walk around the Gundam and just feel free to move around your cell phone, mobile phone, or swipe around on your computer screen with your mouse to check out this Gundam in 360 degrees. Alright, next up is a spectacular view from Odaiba, and we can see across the Tokyo Bay here. Across the bay is the famous Rainbow Bridge. Just get a great look at that scene there. Next up, we have the famous Fuji television station. It's that building with a giant ball in the middle, and it's just, a famous Japanese station broadcasting famous shows such as Iron Chef, famous drama 1 Liter of Tears, Water Boys, and the music show Countdown Live. And finally, here's the famous fake Statue of Liberty that all the sightseers of Odaiba know. It's quite a bit smaller than the real one in New York, but it's pretty cute and great for Kodak photos with your friends or loved ones.
Stay tuned, I'll show you a couple more views. Here's another one.